Hi my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited because we are proceeding. There is progress in this series. Today we are on episode 6 of cooking one soup from the 36 states of Nigeria. Wow, we have done 6 out of 36. There is movement. And guess what? Today we are going to Cross River State. Cross River, Akwa Ibom. I want to go home. I'm from Akwa Ibom. In case you don't know, Akwa Ibom, yeah, you go enter. Today we are going to Cross River State and we are making otong. I don't know if I pronounce this well, but otong is called okro in Efik or Ibibio language. I'm not so sure. But today, just to make it more ethical, because we all know that not only Akwa Ibom or Cross River make otong. So just to make it ethical, we're going to be infusing it with Afang. So we're going to making the combination of otong and Afang. It's going to taste really good because I love Afang so much, and okra soup always bang. If you know, you know. Let's just move right into the ingredients real quick. For this recipe, we're going to be using blended okazi leaf. It is also called atama leaf. This is already blended. I'm using my blender, but locally they use mortar. They pound it into a paste. Above the screen is what it looks like before blending. Cow skin, also known as momo, Cameroon pepper. I'll also be using stock fish. This is the yellow scotch bonnet. It gives your soup a really intense spicy flavor and it's really good. Ogiri, cow meat. You can choose to use whichever protein you have, whichever protein of your choice, whichever protein you love. Chopped okra. This is a lot. I also have a glass of water here for cooking. Periwinkle. I'm using the one out of shell and it was properly rinsed already. Crayfish. Bouillon cubes. Salt. Palm oil. So now that we've gone through our ingredients, let's start with boiling our protein. Aside the fact that boiling your protein makes your beef soft before you go in with the rest of the ingredients, it also serves as a very good base for your soup because of the stock that your protein gives while making this food. And stock adds so much flavor into your food, so you really don't want to miss this step. Into our pot, we're going to go in with our protein, a little bit of salt, bouillon cubes. Here to combine. Now we're just going to cover this and allow it to cook in its own juice. You want the meat to make its own juice before you go in with any other water. Oh. Look at this juice. Our beef have fully extracted its own juice. So let's just add in our pomo now, our cow skin. I'll also go in with our stock fish so that all of it can cook till it is soft. And oh my god, meat soft, pomo soft, stock fish soft. Check. In fact, the water in here is already dried. So we're going to add in a little bit of more water. Now we'll go in with our crayfish, Cameroon pepper, scotch bonnet. This will be very spicy. Adjust seasoning to taste. Bouillon cube. Now is the time we go in with our palm oil. You really want to use good palm oil, please. The taste of your palm oil can either make your soup or just spoil or ruin all your soup, you understand? So you really want to use a good quality palm oil, trusted source. We're going with our ogiri. No wastage. Let's go in with our okra. Okay, our blended afang. We have a very full pot. Now we're going to go in with our deshelled periwinkle. I added this last because the periwinkle is very soft, and when you add periwinkle in the beginning of your cooking, it's going to break up and you don't want that. At least you want to see your periwinkle while you are eating. So right now we're just going to cover this and allow to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. There's this myth that says that when you cover your okra, it will not draw. It is a very big lie. It is not true. You are free to cover your okra, even your ogbono, any draw soup you are making, you are free to cover it as long as you follow the right cooking procedure. Trust me, any draw soup you are making will draw. So I'm just going to cover this and allow it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Allow the afang and the okra, the periwinkle and every other ingredient marinate into each other. I will be right back. This smells so good, honestly. For finishing, we're going to go in with some crayfish, a little bit more palm oil. You really don't want to skip this. There's this really good flavor adding palm oil towards the end of your soup, especially when cooking afang soup. This was dying minute. I decided to add in uziza leaf for extra flavor. I really love the flavor uziza leaf gives soups. So I'm just going to add this for flavor and color. My goodness, this looks so good. Soup is ready. Let's give it a quick taste. This will go well with fufu, honestly. My friends, let me know what you'll be pairing this soup with. And if you have watched to this point and you've not subscribed yet, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Now, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the subscribe button. I would love that you join this beautiful community and I would love to connect with you. I would love to be your friend. So hit the subscribe button and do not forget to give us a thumbs up. Do not forget to drop your comments and your suggestions in the comment section. And I would love to see you in our next one. Bye.